Most people think they need a big team, a huge budget, or years of experience to scale their cleaning business. But that's just not true. The reality is, cleaning businesses are incredibly scalable if you know what to focus on. So in this video, I'm pulling back the curtain and giving you the real truth about scaling in this incredible industry. What actually works, what doesn't work so you don't waste your time, and how to scale without burning yourself out in the process. And if you want to know how I've helped lots of students scale their cleaning businesses in a variety of markets, then check out my coaching program after this video. It's linked below. Let's get into it. One of the first reasons cleaning businesses scale so well is because the services are highly repeatable. Whether you're cleaning a home, an office, or a vacation rental, the core steps are basically the same every time. Dusting, vacuuming, mopping, wiping surfaces, resetting the space. It's a very predictable and structured process. Yes, every space has quirks and preferences, but the general flow doesn't change all that much. That makes it easy to turn your service into a system. You can document it, standardize it, and train others to follow it. And you don't need to hire people with degrees or special certifications. You just need reliable team members who can follow a proven process. And don't let the mindset of no one wants to work anymore get into your head. There are plenty of incredible people out there who want to work, who will show up, and who care about doing a good job. When you build a great cleaning business, you'll attract great people. Trust me on that. And this makes onboarding and scaling your team way more efficient, since you're not reinventing the wheel with every new client or hire. You're just placing them into systems that are already proven to work. Next, let's talk about demand. The cleaning industry doesn't rely on trends or fads. People always need clean environments, clean homes, clean offices, clean vacation rentals, clean job sites. We even have some coaching students doing event cleaning. And while it's true that to many people cleaning is simply a luxury, to most clients it's actually a requirement for one reason or another. It's connected to their comfort and their peace of mind. And in commercial cleaning, it's connected to safety. Employers have to maintain clean environments for their employees. And that means demand stays steady, even when the economy doesn't, provided you're targeting the right types of clients. And even if certain clients are required to reduce frequency, they rarely stop their services altogether. So with the right positioning, your business can continue to grow, even during uncertain times. And that stability is a huge advantage. And this is coming from someone who successfully maintained their cleaning business during multiple financial downturns, including the 2008 financial crisis, as well as the COVID-19 pandemic that started in 2020. So believe me, the demand is there, and it's not going anywhere. Another big reason cleaning businesses are so scalable is because the work doesn't all depend on you personally. In many other service-based businesses, clients hire you as an individual. An example of this is my husband Alex's photo and video production company. He gets paid to take photos of a variety of things, residential properties like this being one of them. But it's his creativity, his eye, his experience, and problem-solving skills that people are paying for. And these are not simple things to train. So his clients expect him to show up for the best results. But in cleaning, it's not that way. As long as they end up with a clean and organized space, they are generally happy. So once your standards are clearly established with those that you hire, and once you train them to meet those standards, they can do the work without needing you on every job. You also don't need a huge investment to get started because cleaning businesses have low overhead. You don't need a storefront, a warehouse, or expensive equipment. You don't need a fleet of vehicles, and there are no inventory or manufacturing costs either. You can start with just a few clients and some basic supplies. And even as you scale, your biggest expenses will be your insurance and labor costs. But these are very predictable costs that simply grow alongside your client base. And you'd be amazed how much you can scale your income as the owner with a pretty small team. And let's not forget about recurring revenue. Most clients don't hire you for a one-time job. They need ongoing cleaning services. This creates predictable income you can count on month after month. And with recurring clients, you can forecast revenue, hire with confidence, and grow with purpose. And that's the kind of consistency that fuels long-term growth. Marketing your cleaning business is also incredibly simple. You don't need to be on social media, and you don't need paid advertising, even when scaling. Cleaning is a local service, so most of your clients will find you through local search and Google reviews, from networking, and from referrals and word of mouth. Just prioritize making clients happy, and you'll build a strong reputation in your community, which will lead to tons of organic growth. And finally, don't overlook the power of specializing. When you niche down, whether it's into post-construction, vacation rentals, luxury homes, or commercial spaces, you become the go-to expert in that space. And that makes it easier to charge premium rates, attract your ideal clients, and stand out from your competition. And you don't need to serve everyone to successfully scale your cleaning business. You just need to serve the right people really well. So here's the bottom line. Cleaning businesses scale well because they're built on repeatable services, steady demand, low overhead, and recurring income. You just need solid systems, a great team, and a clear vision. And if you want my personal help developing all three of these things, then my coaching program is ready to guide you. To see if it's a good fit for you, then learn more at the link below. And let's keep building what you want together.